Welcome to our channel Raptor Fishing Tackle. Today we are going to talk about a lure from Rapala that is well known for its reputation, the Rapala Shadow Wrap Deep. This is a jerk bait. Let me tell you, the first thing about this lure is that this has an amazing reputation of its own, meaning people know about this lure, they have used it, it is tried, it is tested, and it is approved by our very own public. When you see this lure, the first thing that comes into your mind is that it has a precision finish over it. Even the minute details have been taken care by Rapala. So first thing is that this color in particular is the HH color, that is the hot head. We have got the HLW color, the silver, the blue, and most of this color, the fire tiger, which is also a well-selling color, which is a very good color if you ask me. So first thing we do is that we open up the lure. We'll open up the silver lure because I preferably use the silver lure and I know what this lure is up to. So first thing, when you open up the lure, you understand that the packing given by Rapala is amazing. It is strong. They have given a box as well as a transparent cover. So they have done their research over packaging of their product. First thing, when you see the lure, is that Rapala has perfected the natural minnow color over the lure. The color finish is too good. The textured scale over the body with the translucent finish is amazing. One thing you can understand is that the lure, in terms of the perfection and the quality and the finish, is absolutely amazing. The best part which I like is that the red lip over here under the lip, the red color on under the lip is amazing. It is a small lip lure, meaning it can go to a depth of around 1.2 to 2.4 meters, which is really good for a minnow. The baseline of this lure and why the lure was pretty famous was that it is able to turn 180 degree, meaning the total turn which it can take during its action is 180 degree. When you jerk it with the rod, then it can take a 180 degree turn, which will makes this lure its well known property is that it can take a 180 degree turn. So it mimics exactly like a minnow. The second thing is that the rattle inside the body, if you can hear, are so precise that you can literally feel the perfection that will be blended in the water when it rattles. It can give you the perfect sound which attracts most of the fish. The total weight of the lure is 13 grams and the body length from the tail to the lip is 11 centimeters. So the thing that you have to understand is that this is a pretty light lure. It can go to a depth of 1.2 to 2.4 meters. So it is a perfection that has been concentrated by Rapala in making the lure. Here Rapala flaunts its detailing by putting the name of the lure as well as the slow sinking combination of the lure. Is that when you drop it in the water, it will take its own time to sink inside, and we know that once we land the lure in the water, it is the slow buoyancy of the movement of the lure, or whenever we stop after dragging it in, whenever we stop, and the slow sinking of the lure, it is the part where the fish get attracted to the lure. That is the time when the fish bites. This lure can also be used in deep water because of its slow action. It won't go that deep inside the water, but yes, it will make a difference as 2.4 meters even if you use a light line, a light shock leader, and use the best tackle possible to let the lure sink in with its own weight. Then yes, you can easily go deep waters with this lure. The hook size which they have used on the lure is a 6 number hook, which is a perfection because 6 number is used by most of them. But here they have used a 3x strong hook, which is perfected and it has been coated with nickel, so it won't rust that easy. That is the main concern of the Rapala lures, is that you won't have that issues of getting rushed, and these hooks are made by VMC, so yet they are strong as well as they are really good. And when it comes to perfection, Rapala spares no expense. The lure at which they have been providing all the colors with, I have all the colors in stock if you all want them. The perfection on this lure, the weight of the lure, the length of the body is a perfect match. It is a recipe that has been perfected by Rapala to get a sure bite. I will tell you one thing about the lure is that the lure is amazing. You can go with your eyes closed. This lure has a reputation which anyone can tell you about, and the Rapala Shadow Wrap Deep is an amazing lure. Go for it, try it out, and let me know in your comment section what your feeling is about the lure. The lure also has one more feature, that it has a flicker to fade away diving dive. In a sense, it does not act like it is a dead, but it does act like it is struggling to be alive as well as that's dead. So that is the main part of the lure, where it tries to compromise with the actual and the natural mimic of a minnow. So this minnow kind of a lure does it all for you. The one lure that can solve all your problems. You can pick it in your tackle box anytime you want, and it won't disappoint you. Thank you so much for watching our channel. Please do like, share, subscribe, and do comment.